If you ever see a doorbell that looks like this, do not press it. Bro, why does it look like a real face? That's creepy. But if you think this cat is super cute, like and subscribe. Now, look at this poor dog. He's in pain and can't walk because something is wrong inside his body. If you ever see a dog like this, please help. If you're a kind person, leave a heart and a sad emoji in the comments. Maybe 1 million angels will bless you for your kindness. And here's the twist. That strange doorbell? It's not a doorbell at all. It's actually a rare animal hiding in plain sight. If you press it, it might not ring, it might bite.